Welcome to English Speedcast.
Sarah, you are still here. School is over. You usually run out so fast. What happened?
Oh, nothing, sir. I just wanted to sit here for a bit.
That does not sound like nothing. Sit. Talk to me. Is everything okay?
I don't know. Maybe not.
Tell me. You can trust me.
Sir, I'm really struggling. Math is hard. English is hard. I try to study, but my mind just stops.
How long has this been happening?
Maybe 2 months, maybe more. I start studying, but then I get distracted. I feel lazy or tired or confused.
Sarah, many students feel the same, but I'm glad you told me.
I feel like I'm falling behind everyone.
You are not behind. You are just stuck. And stuck can be fixed.
My parents want good grades. They say, "Your cousins study better. Why can't you?" Everyone is always comparing me.
Comparing hurts. Even adults suffer from that.
On social media, everyone looks perfect. Perfect scores, perfect life. I feel like I'm not good enough.
Listen to me carefully, Sarah. Social media is a show. Real life is different. You are not a failure. You are just human.
But I don't want to disappoint my parents.
Wanting to make them proud is good, but don't destroy yourself trying to be someone else. Let me ask you something. Do you want better grades?
Yes, I really do.
Then do you know what the real enemy is?
Bad grades.
No. The enemy is your phone, your stress, your fear, and your lack of routine.
Sir, it's true. I study for 10 minutes. Then I check my phone. And suddenly, 1 hour is gone.
Try this. Study for 20 minutes, take a 5-minute break, then study again. Small steps, small victories.
I think I can do that.
Sarah, what do you want to do in life? Not your parents, not society. You.
I don't know, sir.
It's okay not to know. But think, is there something you enjoy? Drawing? Writing? Sports? Music?
I like designing things. I like writing stories too. But I'm scared to tell anyone.
Why?
Because people will laugh, and they will say I can't become anything.
Let me tell you a secret. When I was young, I loved teaching. People laughed at me too. They said, "You want to be a teacher? Really?" But here I am, and I am proud of it.
Sir, I didn't know that.
You don't need to have all the answers now. Just follow your curiosity. That will take you to your purpose.
Sir, I'm scared to fail. If I fail, everyone will say I'm useless.
Sarah, failure does not mean useless. Failure means you are trying. It is part of the journey.
But it hurts.
Of course it hurts. That's how you learn. Pain teaches you more than success.
I never thought of it like that.
Remember, failure is data, not a decision. You use it. You learn from it. Then you grow. Do you remember the time you walked into the wrong class?
Oh no, please don't talk about that.
You sat down so confidently. The teacher was so confused.
I thought the whole class was new students.
See, you are not always serious and stressed. You have fun moments too.
Yeah, sometimes I forget that.
All right, Sarah, let's make a plan. a simple plan you can follow. Every morning, read your notes for 10 minutes. Every evening, study for 1 hour. Take small breaks.
Okay, I can do that.
No phone while studying. Keep your study table clean. Make a weekly goal list.
Sir, what if I fail one day?
Then you start again the next day. No 0 days. Before sleeping, write what you learned today and one thing you are grateful for.
Like a journal.
Exactly. Every Sunday, come see me. Tell me how your week went. I will guide you.
Really, sir?
Yes, we're a team now.
Sir, thank you. This helped me so much. I feel lighter.
You are not alone, Sarah. You are capable. You are smart. You just needed someone to talk to.
I won't give up, sir.
Good, because I'm not giving up on you.